Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing about a cloud skills challenge that is conducted by Google. So basically, you can develop your cloud technology skills with the challenge which we'll be seeing in this video. And most important thing is, after completing the challenge, you can also get a digital badge verified by Google. So that is the most important thing. You can share that. It will be very useful for you. And before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out and visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops and other online events like this. So now let's see more details regarding this Google Cloud Skills Challenge. So this is a 30-day challenge in which you will get different exercises and quick labs. So you have to complete the challenges. I mean, you have to complete the lab exercises, and then at the end of the program, you can get a skill badge from Google. And for this program, you have to register before July 30 and complete it. And here is why you have to take this Google Cloud Skills Challenge. So the main thing is there is a demand in this field. There is a demand in people who know cloud computing. If you are interested, take this challenge. It is going to be very helpful for you to develop your cloud computing skills. And after completing the program, you can also get this skill badge, which will be awarded by Google. As you can see here, a skill badge is a digital badge awarded by Google Cloud in recognition of your proven cloud skills. So there is a demand. Attend this challenge, develop your knowledge, and it will be very useful for you. So basically in this challenge, there are different tracks. So first one given here is July featured track, which is ML and AI skills challenge. So this is one track in this challenge, and this is for people who are interested in becoming an ML engineer or data scientist. So this is for you guys. If you're interested, take this ML and AI skills track. There are four more other tracks. This is the one featured for July month. These four categories here, I mean these four tracks given here will be always available for you. Getting started is track 1, which is for cloud engineers, cloud architects, and for those with a computer science background ready to show their skills in writing cloud shell commands, deploying your first virtual machine and running applications on Kubernetes. So this is one track. Next one is native app development, and this track is specifically for cloud developers who are ready to show their skills in building serverless web applications. So this is second one. Third track is Kubernetes, and it's for cloud architects who are ready to show their skills in managing containers with Google Kubernetes Engine. And the fourth one is for data analytics. This is a data analytics track, and it's for data analysts who are ready to show their understanding of BigQuery, from writing and troubleshooting SQL queries to building classification models and forecast. So basically you have 5 different tracks here. ML and AI, that is machine learning and artificial intelligence track. Getting started, native app development, Kubernetes, and data analytics. And after you complete the program successfully, you can get your skill badge, and then you can share that using the hashtag Google Cloud Badge in LinkedIn or in any other social media platforms. You can share that as well. So make use of it. There is a demand in this field. There aren't more people who know about cloud computing. So if you jump into this field, if you are interested, jump into it and learn about cloud computing. So this will be very useful if you are really interested in cloud technology. So before we see how to register for this challenge, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And I just want to tell you about Coursera platform, in which you can get courses across different subjects like data science, business, computer science, IT, language, health. So basically you can learn whatever you want in Coursera platform. And the best part about Coursera is all their courses are offered by top companies like Google, IBM, and top universities like Duke University, Stanford University. So the content will be very good. Make use of it. If you want to learn any subject in Coursera, go with their monthly plan so that you can learn whatever you want in that 1 month. You can save a lot of money. You can earn unlimited certificates as well. Here is the comparison for you. So if you take any individual program in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with their monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,315, and with that you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You will get access to their 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certification programs as well. And in that month, you can earn unlimited certificates. For example, let's say you complete 100 courses in that 1 month, you can get 100 certificates. There is no restriction or no limit to the number of courses or the number of certificates that you can get in that 1 month. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills by taking the courses in Coursera platform. And there are more than 15 professional certifications in Coursera which are offered by companies like Google, Facebook, and all these professional certifications are industry valid, which is industry recognized certificates. So if you want to learn anything, try Coursera platform. I hope you'll find it useful. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera monthly plan offer. So I hope you'll find it useful. Let's get back to the Cloud Skills Challenge and let's see how to register for this now. So it's simple, just click on this start challenge and it will take you to this registration form. So just provide your name, first name, last name, business name. If you are a student, just type in student and give your email address, job title, and again if you're a student, just to choose the option other or something like that. And then you have to give your mobile phone number and choose your country, choose your challenge track. So here you will see all the different tracks which we saw now, like getting started, data analytics, Kubernetes, native app development, and ML and AI track. So choose any one track that's comfortable for you. And here you have to answer a few questions and then you have to click on the submit button. So this is how you need to register for this Google Cloud Skills Challenge. Once the registration is completed, you will get a mail from Google and then you can start your exercises. And after completing the challenge, you can get your skill patches from Google Cloud. So make use of it and develop your cloud computing skills. So I hope you'll find this useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And if you want to know the free courses offered by Google, just go to answersq.com, scroll down, you will see categories. In the categories, you will see all the different platforms and subjects like C++, AutoCAD, Autodesk, Coursera, Adonix. So you will see everything. Just select the option Google and it will show you the courses that are offered by Google. As you can see here, free machine learning course by Google and free artificial intelligence courses by Google. So you can get a lot of courses that are offered by Google here. So I hope you'll find this useful. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.